welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and tonight we are going to do another mirror DIY, Dollar Tree. It's going to be a glam mirror. Hold on guys, I forgot, I need to tell you something right quick. I made a 15-day update on the Timmy T, and for some reason it did not upload, but I wanted to just give you a quick update on it. It is a really good product. The colon cleanse does what it said it's going to do. It cleans your colon. The tea tastes really good, and you really don't need any sweeteners or anything in it. It's enjoyable to drink. It's not like a lot of other harsh colon cleanse or skinny teas that I've tasted in the past. It's a nice smooth taste. So you know, I told you I am on a lot of different medications that make me gain weight, and so with the Timmy T, I have noticed that I'll drop 3 pounds, but the 3 pounds will come back. I'll drop 3 or 4 pounds again, but they'll come back. So I will say that if you do not have any medical issues and you're not on a lot of medications, I would say that most likely you will see some weight loss and some slim down. I can tell the difference in my stomach area and in my love handles, as you call it. They are slimming down as well. So I am going to do a full review in the next couple of weeks, and I will tell you all these things, and I will show you guys a few pictures. But I did want to say that because I missed my 15-day deadline to upload, and I wanted the Timmy team to know that I am using your product. I'm loving it. It's doing wonderful things for me. And guys, the code for the Timmy T will still be down in the description box. Go ahead and use that code and receive a discount. And let's get back to this DIY. So for this DIY, you're going to need one of the Dollar Tree 8-inch mirrors. Now I'm going to use either this combination, the bling wrap and the gems, or I'm going to use this combination, gems and the flower mesh. You're going to need a sponge brush or brush. You're going to need some Dollar Tree craft sticks. It comes 100 in a pack. You're going to use some Mod Podge, some gloss black paint. Now remember, you can use this acrylic gloss on paint like I'm going to use the paint on, or you can get some black gloss spray paint and use that as well. You're going to need your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and if you want to make this project a permanent project, you want to use your E6000. So let's just jump right into this DIY. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to break down my mirror. To the side, and then we are going to paint a generous amount of the paint of what you call these things, craft sticks, and our frame, and we're going to paint that in the gloss black. So I'm going to start out with the frame first. Make sure you get the inside rim as well. Okay guys, so now that we have this painted, you want to let that coat dry, and you may want to go back in with a second coat. Put some paint on it. And guys, after this side, after this side dries, then you will flip it over and do the other side. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to finish painting the sticks, and then I will be back. The sticks are not completely dry, but for the sake of the video, I want to go ahead and start gluing them to the back of the mirror cover to get the pretty side faced downward. And so I'm going to start it off like this, but I'm going to glue it probably a ½ inch onto the framing, the cover. So I'm just going to put a blade of glue. Okay guys, so now that all of our popsicle sticks are on the back of our backing for our mirror, I'm going to take and I'm going to go around with the hot glue and just seal them in. So now we have this done. I'm going to let this dry, and I also wanted to tell you guys that I put a coat of Mod Podge on the framing of our mirror, and this is just to protect the paint from getting chipped over time. And I know right now, let me count because I know someone's gonna ask how many it took for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it took 64 to fill up the back. The next thing that we're going to do after this is we're going to put our mirror back together. So now start on the front side. Oh guys, I have some exciting news. My grandbaby was born on Saturday. Layla. She was 6 pounds 3 ounces. And she came really fast. I'm sad to say that I was dropping her sister off and Mia off. And before I could get back to the hospital, my daughter had her. Okay, so now we have this part done. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take another stick and we're going to adjoin it to another one. So you would just need to put glue on the top and the bottom. And this time you want to make sure your good piece is on the top. And you want to line it up end to end. You want to make sure that the ends are touching. I'm going to do this all the way around. Before I go any further, guys, let me put some hot glue, a little bit of glue right across here. Just in a few spots. I want you to see the shape that it's forming. Okay, see the design, how it slants outward. So we're going to do this all the way around. So guys, as you can see, I have a lot more to do. So I'm going to paint some more sticks, let them dry. I'm going to finish putting the rest of the sticks, attach them to each other, and then we're going to come back so we can decorate. Okay guys, so now we have all of the popsicle sticks attached to the mirror frame, and so now we're going to start decorating. So we're going to use these and most likely these right here. Cut them up in slits, and if you don't have this, you can use the Dollar Tree bling wrap and just cut like blocks of them, like maybe 2 by 2 blocks or 3 by 3s, something to that nature, to make a little thing to go on the top of your each one of your popsicle sticks. Now this design is going to take a minute to do because of what I'm going to do, so I am going to show you guys a few of them, and then I am going to go off camera and alright, so of course we will finish that all the way around. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the larger gems that's in the, let me put it in the center of my hand, the larger gems from the pack, and we're going to start at the top. Okay, just like this, and we're gonna do all of them all the way around, and when I come back I'll show you the finished product. Okay fam, so here she is, all decked out in her rhinestones and her floral bling, and so I am going to get her ready and stage her for you guys so you can see the 2 different ways that you can use this. Okay fam, so this is the first way that you can display or use your mirror, and it can be a tray that you put in your vanity room and put your favorite perfume in, your everyday jewelry, and maybe a picture of your loved one. You can also use it to put your favorite Bath and Body Works candle on it. One of your favorite lotions. This one is from Pure Import, and I have the hand, well, I had the hand soap as well, so you can also use it like this. And last but not least is a hanging wall mirror, and it is gorgeous. I'm hoping the camera is doing it justice. I'm not for sure if it is. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye-bye.